When a Xiaomi touchscreen stops working, everything comes to a halt. Let's go through the most effective ways to fix it. Part 1. What is responsible for Xiaomi touchscreen not working? System bug, software crash, or bad update. App conflict, third-party app interference. Dirty or wet screen, water, sweat, oil. Screen protector issue, thick or poorly applied. Charger problem, faulty or non-original charger. Static shock, temporary touch failure. Extreme temperatures, too hot or too cold. Loose flex cable, screen connector not secure. Touch controller failure, digitizer malfunction. Motherboard issue, logic board damage. Battery swelling, pressure on internal parts. Part 2. How to fix Xiaomi touchscreen not working. 9 workarounds. Fix 1. Remove the screen protector and clean the display. Fix 2. Dial 6484. Run the touch test and restart the phone. Fix 3. Force restart. Hold power for 10-15 sec until the logo appears, then release. Fix 4. Disable full screen gestures. Go to settings, additional settings, full screen display, switch to buttons, then reboot. Fix 5. Reduce RAM usage. Go to settings, battery and performance. Enable turn off mobile data and clear cache when locked. Clean memory manually, then restart the phone. Fix 6. Update MIUI. Go to settings, about phone, MIUI version, check for updates, download, and install. Fix 7. Recovery mode. Hold power plus volume up until the logo appears, then use volume keys to select reboot. Fix 8. Factory reset. Backup data, then go to settings, additional settings. Backup and reset, erase all data to restore the phone. Fix 9. Contact me support. If the screen is cracked, wet, or diagnostics fail, reach out to me support or an authorized service center. Part 3. An ultimate way to fix Xiaomi touchscreen not working, higher success rate. Android Repair is a dedicated tool designed to resolve critical system malfunctions, such as an unresponsive touch screen or boot loop, on Xiaomi and many other Android phones. Install and open Android Repair on your computer. Select System Repair and connect your Xiaomi via USB. Choose Android Repair. Click Start. Enter your device info. Then type 000000 to confirm. Follow the instructions to put your phone in download mode. In download mode, click Next to download the firmware. The software will then automatically repair the Xiaomi's touchscreen.